Mechanical abuse refers to physical damage to a battery, such as puncturing, crushing, dropping, or any mechanical impact. Such actions can damage the internal structure of the battery, leading to short circuits and potentially causing a fire or explosion. Many of the devices that we use every day, like phones, laptops, and even some toys, have lithium-ion batteries in them. So you need to handle these batteries with care, and this will ensure that they work properly, keeping us safe. Understanding what can happen with mechanical abuse also helps us to recognize the importance of proper handling and storage of lithium-ion batteries. So mechanical abuse can occur in several ways. When a battery undergoes physical damage, several outcomes can jeopardize its integrity and safety. Puncturing the battery, for instance, can establish a direct connection between the positive and negative terminals of the cell or battery, resulting in a rapid and uncontrolled discharge of energy. Similarly, crushing a battery applies pressure to its internal components, potentially forcing them into contact and creating a pathway for the current to move unchecked from the positive to negative terminal of the cell or battery. Just as dropping an egg might crack its shell, letting a battery fall can inflict harm on its internal structure, heightening the risk of a short circuit event. Any mechanical abuse can result in the potential for a short circuit event, which may lead to thermal runaway and potentially a battery fire or explosion. So we must avoid mechanical abuse to lithium-ion batteries. Now let's look at a real-life example. Hoverboards, the popular self-balancing scooters, faced some safety concerns when several fire incidents occurred. Many of these fires were linked to mechanical abuse affecting the hoverboard's battery integrity. And a range of these physical stresses are ones that the device may be expected to endure in day-to-day use. For instance, users might accidentally drop their hoverboards, causing internal significant damage to the lithium-ion battery. When a hoverboard is dropped, the impact can harm the battery in ways that aren't immediately visible. Additionally, repeated mechanical stresses like rough handling, bumping, or even standing on the hoverboard in a way that exerts undue pressure can compromise the protective barriers within the battery over time. As these barriers weaken or break, they increase the risk of damage to the cell, subsequently making the battery more vulnerable to failures and potential fires. Hence, it is more important to buy products from reputable manufacturers who are more likely to provide the required mechanical protection for the battery to guard against typical wear and tear of the application.